Hello friends, today we are going to see the answers of class 10th CBSE last year board exam question paper. Let's start with section A, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Metal oxides generally react with acids, but few oxides of metal also react with bases. Such metallic oxides are dash. Question number 2. Few drops of aqueous solution of ammonium chloride are put on a universal indicator paper. The paper turns pink. Study the following table and choose the correct option. Question number 3. Select the appropriate state symbols of the products given as X and Y in the following chemical equation by choosing the correct option from the table given below. ZnS plus H2SO4L gives ZnSO4X plus H2Y. Answer is option B. X is aqueous and Y is gaseous. Question number 4. Two salts X and Y are dissolved in water separately. When phenolphthalein is added to these solutions, the solution X turns pink and the Y turns colorless. That is, it does not show any change in color. Therefore, X and Y are. Answer is option A, Na2CO3 and NH4Cl respectively. Question number 5. In the given diagram of a closed stomata, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are respectively are first is nucleus, second is chloroplast, third is vacuole and the fourth is guard cell. Question number 6. Walking in a straight line and riding a bicycle are the activities which are possible due to a part of the brain. Choose the correct location and name of this part from the given table. Answer is part of the brain is hindbrain and name is cerebellum. Coming to question number 7. A student wants to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of 10 cm focal length. What will be the distance of the object from the mirror? It will be less than 10 cm. Question number 8. Bronze is an alloy of D. Copper and tin. Question number 9. In an experiment with pea plants, a pure tall TT is crossed with a pure short plant small t. The ratio of pure tall plant to the pure short plants in F2 generation will be. Answer will be 1:1, part C. Question number 10. Study the given figure of a food web and identify the primary consumer in the food web. Primary consumer are mice and rabbit. Answer is option number D. Question number 11. Choose the correct order of the stages of binary fission in Leishmania. Answer is option B. First, then third, then second, then fifth, and last is fourth stage. Question number 12. Consider the following chemical equation 1 and 2. First is Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Second is NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2. Answer is option B. First is a displacement reaction and second is a double displacement reaction. Question number 13. In the following diagram showing dispersion of white light by a glass prism, the colors P and Q respectively are violet and red. Question number 14. Consider the following three flowers, namely X, Y and Z. Which flowers were developed into a fruit? Answer is flower X and Y only. Question number 15. The magnetic field inside a long, straight current carrying solenoid is same at all points. Question number 16. In human eye, the part which allows light to enter into the eye is part D, cornea. Now question number 17 to 20 are assertion reasoning based questions. Question number 17. Assertion. It is advised that while diluting an acid One should add water to acid and not acid to water, keeping the solution continuously stirred. Reason: the process of dissolving an acid into water is highly exothermic. Answer is option D. A is false and R is true. Question number 18. Assertion is: the energy which passes to the herbivores does not come back to autotrophs. Reason is: the flow of energy in a food chain is unidirectional. Answer will be option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 19. Assertion is: amoeba takes in food by using finger-like extensions of the cell surface. Reason is: in all unicellular organisms, the food is taken in by the entire cell surface. Answer is option C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Question number 20. Assertion: melting point and boiling point of ethanol are lower than that of sodium chloride. Reason: the forces of attraction between the molecules of ionic compounds are very strong. That is, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. That's assertion. Now let's come to section B, very short answer questions. Question number 21. State whether the given chemical reaction is a redox reaction or not. Justify your answer. MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Question number 22. Part A. List two differences between the movement of leaves of a sensitive plant and the movement of shoot towards light. Or Part B. What happens at synapse between two neurons? State briefly. Question number 23. Give the name of the enzyme present in the fluid in our mouth cavity. State the gland which produces it. What would happen if the digestion process if this gland stops secreting this enzyme? Question number 24. Let the resistance of an electrical device remain constant, while the potential difference across its two ends decreases to 1/4 of its initial value. What change will occur in the current through it? State the law which helps us in solving the above stated question. Question number 25. A light ray enters from medium A to medium B as shown in the figure. Part A. Which one of the two media is denser with respect to the other media? Justify your answer. Part B. If the speed of light in medium A is VA and in medium B is VB, what is the refractive index of B with respect to A? Or a ray of light starting from diamond is incident on the interface separating diamond and water. Draw labeled ray diagram to show the refraction of light in this case. Part B. Absolute refractive indices of diamond and water are 2.42 and 1.33 respectively, and the value of refractive index of diamond with respect to water. Question number 26. State the rule to determine the direction of a Part A. Magnetic field produced by or produced around a straight current carrying conductor, and Part B. Force experienced by a current carrying straight conductor placed in a magnetic field which is perpendicular to it. Friends, these are the answers of section B, very short answer questions. Starting from question number 21, we had the question MnO2 plus 4HCl gave MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. In this reaction, MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2 and H is removed from HCl to form Cl2. So from this we can conclude that it is a redox reaction. In question number 22, we have to give difference in movement of leaves of a sensitive plant and movement of shoot towards light. In movement of leaves of a sensitive plant, the stimulus is touch, and towards light, the stimulus will be light. Towards light it will be a tropic movement, and movement of leaves, that can be the example of a chui mui or touch me not plant. It is a nastic movement. In all, we had to explain about the synapse. The nerve impulses are carried over the synapse between a pair of neurons by means of chemical substance called neurotransmitter substance, and we have to draw the given diagram too. Next we have question number 23, in which the fluid present in our mouth is salivary amylase. The salivary glands in our mouth produce saliva, and if this gland stops secreting it, the digestion of starch will not occur, and also wetting of food will not occur. As a result, swelling will become difficult. Next we have question number 24. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, or V by R is equal to I. If R becomes constant and V dash is equal to 1 by 4 V dash is equal to I dash R. I dash is equal to V dash upon R is equal to 1 V upon 4R. Next question number 25. Part A and Part B. Questions related to refractive index. Medium B denser than medium A, because when light ray goes from rare to denser, it bends toward the normal. Part B, speed of light in medium A is equal to VA and speed of light in medium B is equal to VB. Therefore, refractive index of B with respect to A is VA upon VB. Or Part A, refraction from diamond to water is the case when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. The refracted ray in this case bends away from the normal, as we can see in the glass slab 2 and in the ray diagram, which represents diamond and water. Next we have part B, absolute Ri of diamond 2.42, speed of light in air upon speed of light in diamond 2.42 is equal to V upon Vd, absolute Ri of water 1.33, speed of light in air upon speed of light in water. Then we will equate equation 1 and 2. Vd upon Vw is equal to Va upon 2.42 upon Va upon 1.33, that is 133 upon 242, that is equal to 0.549. Next we have question number 26, in which part A, the direction of magnetic field produced by straight current carrying conductor is determined by Maxwell's right hand thumb rule, and then we will explain what is Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. In part B, force experienced by a current carrying straight conductor placed in a magnetic field is determined by Fleming's left hand rule, and then we will explain Fleming's left hand rule too. Friends, we will discuss the next questions of this exam question paper in next video. Thank you.